Hey guys, I'm Cyborg Sheep, and welcome to the Weekend Post. I spent a grand total of 20 Canadian pesos for four Xbox controllers, 5 games, and an original Xbox console. So today, we are going to get all this stuff set up, see if we can get it working. Alright, I'm not going to make you watch me clean everything, because that would just be boring. But anyways, so, got this all dusted and fixed up, and all these cables are in pretty good condition. I'm going to leave these controllers, I'll clean them off camera. But I think for now, we should have everything to pretty much get this thing set up and get it turned on and working. So, let's give it a test. This should be a good spot to get everything set up. For display output, I'll use this old Dell monitor that I have. The video output of the Xbox will be connected to the composite input on the monitor. The audio output of the Xbox will be connected through an RCA adapter to this toy speaker. Alright, we are all set up and ready to test it. So, let's power it up. Key or tact. Whoa. Whoa, wait a minute. Oh, that's not good. That's a huge problem. Let's see if it'll turn on with a game. I don't think it will, though. That screen is generally not the best sign, from what I remember. Well, I'm going to do a little bit of looking around off camera and see what I can come up with. I don't know if you can see in there, but in there lies our problem. Isn't that always the way these projects go sometimes? So this is some sort of mod chip that the previous owner installed, and it's screwing me over. Why exactly the previous owner installed this, I'm not exactly sure. But what I do know is that these mod chips are a rabbit hole within a rabbit hole that has a termite problem. This is going to take some time to troubleshoot. Time that I do not exactly have right now. So, with that, I think I'm going to leave the video there. We will revisit this at some point. If I can manage to get this troubleshooted and figured out, the video will come. But for the meantime, I think that's going to be it. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you dudes in the next video.